take a look at this. This is our Bitcoin chart. Ito yung kanyang parallel channel, which is the handle na binasag natin nung Monday, June 9. Asan yung price ngayon? Nandun po tayo ulit sa trend line ng parallel channel. Ay, nire-retest natin. So what we want to see is dapat hindi tayo mag-close and trade below this. For me, kung tatalbog tayo from this trend line today, okay, let's say mag-hammer yan, that's bullish. Ibig sabihin, nag-flash lang to ng mga probably mga naka-leverage, finlash lang yan, most likely ready to go up again. But yun nga lang, you're going to see also, since medyo yung pump natin this week, hindi tinuloy ng bulls. You expect Bitcoin to consolidate. This is the daily chart. Saan ang consolidation? Most likely dito. Diyan sa area na yan. This will be between, ako ng konti, yan, 100 to 110. 100 to 110. Remember, sabi ko sa inyo, gusto kong makita si Bitcoin na bumabad, tumagal dyan sa area na yan kasi gusto kong simentohin yan para maging strong support. The other day, I was telling you, mas okay yan tumagal dyan. Ayaw mong bumasag yan. Pag bumasag yan, pagbalik dito yan, dire-diretsuhin lang. So gusto natin tumagal po yan dito. Okay, mag-build ng strong support dito sa area na yan. Okay, and then let's see. So as long as we don't close below 100, andyan pa rin yung mga bulls. So ngayon, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, na this market is for the active traders.